The number of COVID-19 cases is skyrocketing here in Alabama. The state's test positivity rate climbed by about 4% in just 24 hours. It now sits at 22.1%. That means more than a fifth, 1 out of 5 of COVID tests taken here in Alabama are coming back positive. Right now, all North Alabama counties are at high risk for community transmission. 2 counties, Colbert and Lawrence, report positivity rates even higher than the state average. Now you're taking a look at the positivity rates within all North Alabama counties, and as you can see, there are 3 counties already above 20%. Franklin County marks the lowest rate, but it's still at a whopping 12.3%. This all comes as more kids are being hospitalized with COVID-19. The CDC reporting pediatric hospitalizations went up an average of 35% across the country in the last week. WAAY 31's Alex Torres-Perez spoke to the Alabama Department of Public Health about what we're seeing here in Alabama. Alex?
State health officials are concerned because, like many parts of the country, they've also seen an increase in kids getting COVID in the last few weeks. Right now, the state health department says more than 30 kids are currently hospitalized with COVID across the state right now. And in the last 4 weeks, they accounted for 13.4% of new COVID cases in Alabama. But there isn't a lot of information available right now on how the Omicron variant specifically impacts them. Children have typically been less affected throughout the pandemic. That was until that Delta variant came along. The state health department warns parents that kids could face long COVID symptoms and even multi-system inflammatory disorder.
Very normally healthy children can get very, very sick and go to the ICU. And so if you're a parent of a child that has underlying medical conditions, you should strongly consider having them vaccinated. And all people that have children who are eligible for vaccine should discuss that and consider it with their healthcare provider.
Right now, Pfizer is the only vaccine that has emergency use authorization for kids 5 and up. Reporting live in Huntsville, Alex Torres-Perez, WAAY 31 News.